Today, we're uncovering the key to making a younger woman think about you nonstop. It's not just about grand gestures or trying too hard. It's about understanding those subtle yet powerful actions and qualities that leave a lasting impression. In this video, I'll guide you through what truly captivates a younger woman's thoughts and keeps you on her mind long after you've parted ways. Ready to become unforgettable in her eyes? Let's dive in. 1. Unexpected compliments. One effective way to linger in a younger woman's thoughts is to give her unexpected compliments that focus on her personality or talents. These compliments should be sincere and specific, highlighting unique aspects of her character or abilities. For instance, praising her intelligence, creativity, or kindness will likely resonate more deeply than just commenting on her appearance. Such genuine acknowledgments make her feel valued for who she is, not just what she looks like, and this kind of appreciation is often remembered and cherished. 2. Showing cultural savvy. Demonstrating an understanding or interest in cultural trends, music, or social issues relevant to her generation can significantly bridge the age gap. This shows that you're not only interested in her, but also in the world she inhabits. Discussing a popular TV show, a trending social media challenge, or contemporary music can be great conversation starters. It's about connecting with her world, showing that you're not stuck in your ways and are open to understanding and enjoying the things she cares about. 3. Engaging in social media interaction. Social media can be a powerful tool for staying on her mind. Engage with her posts in a way that's thoughtful and appropriate. This might mean liking her photos, commenting with insightful or supportive remarks, or sharing content you think she'd appreciate. The key is to show interest without overwhelming her. It's about quality, not quantity, of interaction. These small digital interactions remind her of your presence and interest in her life, keeping you in her thoughts even when you're not physically together. 4. Recommend books or movies. Suggesting books or movies can be a subtle yet effective way to stay on her mind. By recommending something you think she'd enjoy, you're initiating a shared experience, even if you're not together while she reads or watches it. This gesture shows that you're thinking about her interests and tastes. Furthermore, it provides future opportunities for conversation and bonding over shared opinions on the book or movie, which can strengthen your connection. 5. Remembering small details. One of the most impactful ways to stay on a younger woman's mind is to remember and bring up small details she's mentioned in past conversations. This could be anything from her favorite food, a project she was working on, to a family event she was looking forward to. By recalling these details, you demonstrate that you genuinely listen to her and care about her life. This attentiveness sets you apart and can keep you in her thoughts, as it shows a level of emotional investment and care that goes beyond surface-level interactions. 6. Casual invites to group events. Inviting her to group events is an effective way to keep yourself in her thoughts. In such settings, she can observe and interact with you in a relaxed, pressure-free environment. It also provides her with an opportunity to see you interacting with others, which can be attractive. Whether it's a casual get-together, a friend's party, or a group outing, these events allow her to see different facets of your personality and how you conduct yourself in social settings. 7. Sharing interesting articles or news. Sending her articles or news stories that you think would grab her interest can be a great way to spark intellectual conversations and show her that you're thinking about her. This could be related to a hobby she has, a topic she's passionate about, or something you both had discussed earlier. Such gestures are not only good conversation starters, but also ways to demonstrate that you're considerate and interested in engaging with her on a deeper, more intellectual level. 8. Playful challenges. Playful challenges are a fun and engaging way to build rapport and keep you in her thoughts. This could be anything from a lighthearted bet, a challenging game, or a fun activity that you both can enjoy. It's not about the challenge itself, but the interaction and the playful tension it creates. This can be especially appealing if it's done in a way that is humorous and lighthearted, providing a platform for shared laughter and memorable moments. 9. Wise and thoughtful advice. When a younger woman faces challenges or decisions, offering wise and thoughtful advice can significantly impact how often she thinks about you. Your life experience can provide valuable insights that she might not get elsewhere. Being a source of sage advice not only shows you care but also highlights your maturity and understanding. This kind of support can make her feel valued and respected, fostering a deeper connection and ensuring you stay on her mind as someone she can rely on. 10. Be supportive of her achievements. Acknowledging and celebrating her achievements, no matter how big or small, is a sure way to be constantly in her thoughts. Whether it's a professional milestone, a personal goal she's achieved, or even small daily victories. Showing that you recognize and appreciate her efforts can be deeply meaningful. It illustrates that you are not just interested in her, but you also value her individual successes and the person she's becoming. 11. Creating inside jokes. Inside jokes are a great way to create a unique bond. Every time she thinks of the joke or it comes up in her daily life, she'll think of you and the shared laughter you had. This not only strengthens your connection, but also adds a layer of personal intimacy to your interactions. Inside jokes can serve as little reminders of the fun and unique dynamic you share, keeping you on her mind. 12. Casual physical gestures. Simple, respectful physical gestures like placing a hand on her back as you guide her through a door or offering your arm when walking together can be very impactful. These small actions can communicate a lot: protection, thoughtfulness, and a gentle form of affection. Such gestures, when done respectfully and appropriately, can leave a lasting impression, making her think of you and the comfort she feels in your presence. 13. Mention future events or plans. Bringing up future events or plans, especially those that align with her interests, is a subtle yet effective way to keep you in her thoughts. Whether it's a concert, a new restaurant opening, or a local art exhibit, casually mentioning these plans and gauging her interest can plant the idea of future shared experiences. This not only shows that you enjoy her company, but also subtly suggests that you see a potential future together, encouraging her to think about what that might look like. 14. Asking for her opinion. Actively seeking her opinion on matters that are important to you, be it decisions about work, life choices, or even small day-to-day dilemmas, shows her that you respect and value her thoughts. This can be particularly appealing to a younger woman dating an older man, as it places her on an equal intellectual footing with you. By valuing her insights, you're likely to become a significant person in her life, someone she thinks about not just in moments of leisure but also when she contemplates deeper subjects. 15. Offering help in her projects. If she's working on a project, be it for her career, studies, or a personal hobby, offering your help or support can be very impactful. It could be as simple as providing feedback, helping with research, or just offering encouragement. This gesture not only makes her feel supported and cared for, but also puts you in a position of being a partner in her endeavors, someone who's contributing positively to her goals and dreams. 16. Share personal anecdotes. Sharing personal stories, particularly those that resonate with her current life experiences or interests, can create a deep, personal connection. It might be a tale from your own youth, career challenges you've faced, or experiences that shaped who you are. These anecdotes allow her to see different aspects of you, making her feel closer and more connected. It shows vulnerability and trust on your part, making her think of you not just as a partner, but also as a mentor and confidant. 17. Subtle flirting. Engage in light, subtle flirting that adds a spark to your interactions without making her uncomfortable. This can involve humorous, witty exchanges that have an undertone of flirtation. Subtle compliments that are sincere and well-timed can also be effective. The key is to be charming without being overbearing, creating an atmosphere where she feels both respected and attracted. This approach can keep you on her mind as she'll likely reminisce about your conversations and the flirtatious energy between you. 18. Finding common interests. Discovering and discussing shared interests is a great way to strengthen your connection. Whether it's a mutual love for a particular genre of music, a shared hobby, or even similar tastes in literature or movies, these commonalities provide endless topics for conversation and potential activities to do together. By engaging in these shared interests, you create meaningful experiences and memories, ensuring that she thinks of you whenever she encounters these shared passions. 19. Express interest in her worldview. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, opinions, and perspectives, especially on contemporary issues or topics relevant to her age group. This demonstrates that you respect her as an individual and value her mind. It's important to listen actively and engage in these discussions without judgment. This level of interest and respect for her worldview can be very appealing and will likely make her feel special and understood, keeping you in her thoughts. 20. Gentle teasing. Incorporate lighthearted teasing into your interactions. This can be a playful way to show your affection and interest in her. Gentle teasing about shared experiences or harmless quirks creates a fun and relaxed atmosphere. Ensure that the teasing is always in good spirit and never crosses into insensitivity. This playful banter is not only enjoyable, but also memorable, likely making her smile long after the conversation has ended. Now that you know what makes younger women think nonstop about you, take it further. Dive into how to build sexual tension, or explore how to make younger women obsess over you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.